Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How's life today?
I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful.
Okay. Today I would like to explain my mapping project, and this is my pictures. Wait it. This is my picture. Okay. I wanna explain step by step first. Okay. From this. And we start about myself. Okay. My name is Muhammad Yunus Putra. People usually call me Yunus. And Yunus. And I'm from Probolinggo. I was born Probolinggo on July 11, 2002. So now I am 23 years old. Okay, as usual, I was child. I entered elementary school in my village and continue my study in my Islamic boarding school in Probolinggo. So I entered Islamic boarding school of 2017. Okay, this is my picture when I was child. Because I don't have a picture with when I baby. This is an iPhone. This is iPhone in my Facebook. This is picture with my brother and brother's friend. This is picture in Bromo Mountain. Okay. Continue. I entered Islamic boarding school on 2017 until last year. So I studied in Islamic boarding school around 8 years.
Whoa.
8 years until I graduate in Islamic boarding school, because my parents asked me to until graduate of Islamic boarding school, and after that to continue my study to abroad maybe or in this country. Okay, this is my picture with my friend, with my classmates, with my friend, and this is my picture last year in the Dalwa Islamic boarding school. And this is my picture when I am studying here, and I start my dream from now. Okay, from BEC course. Okay, the next I want to explain about my family. My family, there are 7 people in my family. The first, my father. The second, my mother, and the third, my older brother, and the fourth, me, and the fifth, oh, my grandmother, and the sixth, I forgot, and the sixth, my young sister, and now she is studying in Islamic boarding school, same with me, it's last year, and the last, my young sister. Okay, I want to explain about my father. My father is so hard to work to support us to become my dream come true now. And my mother, she is so kind and she is take care from me. She always cook for us with good food. And this is my young sister, and now she is studying in Islamic boarding school. And the last, I forgot, my brother, and now become teacher in my hometown, become teacher. And the last, my sister still now second of elementary school, and continue about my alphabet memory first, because my dream so lot. My alphabet memory only the first. If I graduate of my Islamic boarding school, because because this graduate, I was studying a long time, for 8 years. For 8 years. And after that, 2 years, I am become teacher in Islamic Boarding School. And I taught many students, maybe 50 students in my class if I handle. Okay. I have many moments with them. Okay, I have many moments with them. When they disturb of others, they always complain to me. Teacher, I was disturbed of my friends. And this is I'm like father. I'm like father of them. And without mother. Understand? Okay. I'm like father. And this is I'm like father in my Islamic school because I have many children. Without wife. Okay, continue. I want to explain about my dreams. I have many dreams. The first that is I wanna continue my study for master's degree, inshallah, in abroad, and I'm set, and I'm not accept. Of course, I will continue in this country. And after that, my dream is graduate. Brother, how many times now? And the second, my dream is graduate of master's degree. Of course, if I have a lot of money, I wanna continue to become doctor. Amin. And after that, if I graduate of my study, I wanna go home and become lecturer in my hometown. And after that, after become lecturer, I will marry with whom I love. Okay? This is the picture. Because and after that, this is my twice because this is different face. Okay. And after that, if I got married, I will go to Makkah. With my family small, and then I wanna make my parents to come Makkah with like me. And after that, my dream, the last, that is I wanna be rector. Rector of university, inshallah, in Probolinggo or another place. This is my dream. This is continue dreams. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention, and I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.